Lengqungquthela kukhangiswe ngezinto zikagesi ezikhiqizwe kuleli, izimoto, izimpahla zokugqoka kanye nokunye. Omunye osomabhizinisi abasafufusa uthi Lengqungquthela iyithuba elikahle lokuba akhangise imikhiqizo yakhe.
A lot of brand exposure and just people to come and touch and feel the quality of the garments that we make. So it's pretty much that, like people getting exposed to the quality of garments and touch and feel, and it's pretty much that, yeah.
Isikhulu esiphezulu seProudly SA sithi abantu bakulelizwe kumele banike ithuba abasiki benqephu bakulelizwe.
We're also asking them to make their local purchasing decision in favor of local products such as these that you see at this local walk.
Ungqongqoshe wezohwebo nezimboni unqome ukwenza kahle kwamabhizinisi akhiqiza izimoto kuleli njengoba leli kungelinye lamabhizinisi angandile eNingizimu Afrika.
One of the companies in the Black Exporter Network now sell the bulk of their products to other parts of the world. They were introduced through a partnership with the local auto industry.
Izitolo ezinkulu zokudla kuleli zisezinhlelweni zokulekelela abalimi abasafufusa ukuba bafinyelele kalula ezimakethe.
Shoprite Checkers, for example, committed to make available a fund to support more food producers, and they will, over a period of time, replace 500 million rands worth of imported food that they currently get from other parts of the world. That amount annually they will replace with locally produced food, creating jobs for small-scale farmers and food factories.
Abantu baseNingizimu Afrika bayakhuthazwa ukuba bathenge imikhiqizo yakulelizwe. Lokhu bangaqinisekisa ngokubheka uphawu lweProudly SA kuleyo mkhiqizo. Lengqungquthela izophuthula kusasa.